let's look at how to find your IP address and your subnet mask, your default gateway, and your DNS server all from the Ubuntu command line. So first of all, I'm going to start with this Ubuntu machine right here, and I am going to run the IP addr command. Now, when this command runs, you'll see there are two interfaces. So number one and number two. This one is LO for local loopback. You can see it says loopback right here. And you can also see ENP03 or 0S3. This one right here is the interface that connects to the internet. This one right here is your local loopback. Everything that starts with a 127 is a local loopback type address. You also see the ::1, which is the IPv6 version of that local loopback. All right, so now we can see under this ENP0S3, there's an IP address, INET section right here. This is for your IP version 4 address. INET 6s are for IPv6 addresses. And this is your IP address right here from the 10 to the 15, 10.0.2.15. And the /24 is your subnet mask in CIDR notation. This right here is your broadcast, and that information is kind of important. This right here is your Ethernet physical or MAC address, whichever one you want to call it. All right, so that is how you figure out your IP address. Next, if you want to figure out your default gateway, you can type in IP route. IP route tells you that your default gateway is through the 10.0.2.2 address. So this is the router that will get you out of your network. And in order to connect to it, you have to connect to this interface right here, ENP0S3. And the way you got your address was through DHCP, and this is your IP address on that network. So this IP address is on this network or subnet, and that's the one you use to get out. It also tells you that the network that you're connected to right here is a 10.0.2.0/24 network. So this right here, this 10.0.2.0 is your network or subnet address. There's the mask, insider notation, and here's your IP address on that network. All right. If you wanted to figure out something like, well, I want to get to Google. How do I get to Google? You can type in IP route get 8.8.8, and it'll say, oh, if you wanted to get there, you would go out through this interface, and well, you go out through this interface, and this would be your gateway to get you there. So you can just look that up. All right. Now, what about your DNS server? So 8.8.8.8 is a DNS server. Are we using it? Well, normally what you can do is you can look at the etc resolv.conf file. The contents of this file will tell you what your name server is. Now you can see right here it says name server. They're listed in order. However, in this case, this 127.0.0.53 is actually your own machine. So you might start saying, wait a second, how do I figure out my own machine? I mean, that doesn't make sense. Well, the way you can figure it out is this one is set up using resolvd. So you can see systemd/resolvd, and you can look at, here, let's clear this. You can type in resolvectl status, and it will tell you how you are resolving your names. It says, well, okay, this link right here, your ENP0S3 interface, has the current DNS set up as 10.0.2.3. So that's your DNS servers. All right, well, that's great. What if I don't want to use that? Well, normally what you can do is you can just go ahead and change this right here. However, this kind of gets overwritten, and so you don't want to do that. So we're going to have to go use the resolvd.conf file and actually get more information on how it's done. You can cat out your etc systemd resolvd.conf, and that sometimes tells you what DNS server you have. You might have a DNS listed or a fallback DNS server listed. However, if you do have those set, the resolv CTL status will show them up here in the global section. And so you can see whichever one is at the top is what is there. So that's how you can view your DNS configuration. So now you know how to get your IP address, your mask, your default gateway, and your DNS server. These are the three most important things to be able to connect to the internet and be able to function normally.